ball curves. The keeper leaps. But does he stand a chance? Today, we're breaking down one of football's greatest questions. Would any goalkeeper in the world stop this shot? Stay tuned, because the answer will blow your mind. Free kicks are one of football's most electrifying moments. They're not just about power. They're about precision, curve, and placement. 1 inch too high, it's in the stands. 1 inch too low, straight into the wall. We've seen Roberto bend the laws of physics, Beckham deliver clutch perfection, and Messi float balls into the top corner like he's playing darts. But here's the truth. Free kicks are tough. Across the top 5 leagues, only about 6% to 8% of free kicks actually go in. So when one does find the net, especially in an impossible way, it's worth asking, could anyone have stopped it? Let's break down the technique, the angle of approach, the run-up, the spin, even the positioning of the wall matters. Every detail decides if the keeper has a chance or if he's already beaten before the ball leaves the foot. Now consider this. The ball is traveling at 90 kilometers per hour with 1.5 meters of curve mid-flight. That gives the goalkeeper less than 0.6 seconds to react. Imagine blinking and the ball's already behind you. And it's not just average keepers getting beaten. Even the legends have fallen victim. Buffon, a World Cup winner. Neuer, the sweeper keeper, who reads the game like a book. Courtois, standing nearly 2 meters tall. They've all been left helpless by a perfectly struck free kick. If these giants of goalkeeping couldn't stop it, what chance does anyone else have? But let's put it to the test. We recreated the shot with a youth goalkeeper to see if it's even possible. Close, but nope. Every time the ball slipped past, the verdict was clear. Most agreed, this shot was flat out unstoppable. And here it is, full speed. The ball rockets. Curves. And lands in the back of the net. The answer, not even close. No keeper alive was saving that one. But what do you think? Could you save it? Drop your answer in the comments below and challenge your friends too. More impossible football questions are coming every single week. So hit that subscribe button and prove your football IQ.